You've mastered your job. You've done it so well that now you're leading a team, but no one trained you for this. Suddenly, you're expected to motivate, delegate, and make tough decisions, and you're just trying to figure it out as you go. You know you don't want to be that boss, the micromanager, the pushover, or the one no one respects. But without the right guidance, leadership really feels like trial and error, and let's be honest, trial and error is a very painful way to learn leadership. Maybe you're stressing over tough conversations, wondering how you're going to give feedback without sounding too harsh, but also without sounding too soft. Maybe your meetings feel like a complete waste of time, and you're drowning in decisions no one trained you for. Or maybe you're struggling to delegate because, let's face it, sometimes it is so much easier just to do it yourself. Does any of this sound familiar? If so, I promise you, you're not alone. Most first-time managers feel overwhelmed because leadership is a whole new skill set that no one prepares you for. And that's exactly why I created the Manager's Playbook, to give you the scripts, the framework, and the step-by-step strategies you need to lead with confidence, without the pain of trial and error. This is not another leadership book full of vague theories. This is a plug-and-play system designed to make leadership simple, clear, and actionable. Inside, you get word-for-word scripts to handle feedback, conflict, and motivation so that you never struggle with what to say. You'll get meeting frameworks that actually work so that you stop wasting time and start driving true results. You'll have a decision-making guide that takes the guesswork out of leadership. You'll get delegation strategies so that you can hold people accountable without micromanaging. And you'll learn confidence-building techniques to step into leadership like a pro, even if you don't feel 100% ready. Most leadership advice, it tells you what to do. This playbook gives you the exact words in the step-by-step process so that you can actually do it starting today. There's no fluff. There's no wasted time. It's just tools, strategies, and scripts that you need to lead effectively without stress. So if you are tired of second-guessing yourself, if you are ready to lead with clarity and confidence, click the link below and grab your copy of the Manager's Playbook right now. This is the shortcut that I wish I had when I started leading teams. If you're ready to stop second guessing and you're ready to start leading with confidence, click the link and get your copy today.